Hi, I'm Monty, and thank you for watching. Today I wanted to take you on a private home tour of this home that recently came on the market here in Cheyenne. So come along with me and let's take a look at this house. It is a bi-level. It's in one of the older, more sought-after neighborhoods in Cheyenne. This is the family room, right off the stairs by the front door. Spacious, got a wood-burning stove, plenty of storage. This house is older and could use a little TLC, but it's in great shape and could be a great investment if you're looking to have a house as a rental, or it would be a great first-time home or starting over home with a little bit of updating and adding some features. You could easily turn quite a profit on this house. It's priced in the price range in the mid 300,000s. This price range is hot right now in Cheyenne. It is one of the fastest moving price ranges we have in our community and with our housing market. Nice garage. Go out into the backyard. Nice patio area. There is storage under the build-on. The play area for the kids. Fire pit. There's a garden area, plenty of yard. Again, this house would make a great first-time homeowner's house or an investment property. Laundry area right off the garage. Bathroom. Bedroom we were already in. Family room. Let's go back upstairs. Spacious living room, lots of natural light. That's always good, especially around here in the wintertime. Has a sunroom. This is the build-on that has the storage below outside. Back out onto the backyard area where we were. Again, just a little TLC, little sweat equity, and this could be your dream home. Nice kitchen, open to a dining area. Plenty of cabinets and counter space. Front bedroom upstairs. Big closet, that's a plus. Linen closet here in the hall. Main floor bathroom. Second bedroom upstairs. So that's about it for this house. If you're interested in this or any other houses, or you'd like help picking a house in the Cheyenne area, I would be glad to help you. My contact information is in the notes below in the body of this video and the main page of this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you were here, and I'll talk to you soon.